If you're looking for someone, you won't find nobody on this side of the dirt. Dynamo leaves no man alive.
Me and my two friends here will keep that in mind. Done and dusted. Oh, Tess. You'd best know I'm coming for you. Biscuit, don't go! Damn it. Seems I'll be needing these old boomsticks after all. Twice the business, twice the buck.
Lose
sort of secrets you got holed up way out here? What in the devil? That's the same electromagnetic arc as the boomsticks. I only know one mind capable of this kind of tinkering. Damn shields defend against a single blast. Huh. Good thing I got two.
Look at my fingers so clean from the bittersweet fever dream. Stuck up between your teeth when my mind's obscene. Only the one thing I can tell what's really on your mind. Smooth out parade, but I come to make it nice. Watch you over, girl, to the morning. Wow, just to never my love to tide you over, girl, to the morning comes. Wow, side cloud from a white light. You can't buy another alibi. Generations sedated and shaking. Least we can say it was well wasted. Shaking in your boots is like a sorry lame excuse. Jack it up to you before we hit you with the truth. These days silhouetted, I can play it on repeat. Cry, baby, cry all night long. There's another one love that's got you over, girl. Till the morning comes around. There's another one love that's got you over, girl. Till the morning comes around. Black cloud from a white light. Can't buy another alibi. You pack, I'll fight. A better way to go and waste my time. A generation sedated and shaken, self-medicated. Why was the waiting? So close, they almost wanna taste it. Least we can say it was well wasted. Between your teeth, when my mind's obscene. Just to know my love that's had you over, girl. When it comes round, I cry from a white light. You can't buy another alibi. You fight, I'll fight. A better way to go and waste my time. A generation sedated and shaken, self-medicated. Why was the waiting? So close, they almost wanna taste it. Least we can say it was well wasted. Wasted.
That's one hell of a train.
Attention Dynamo Company. All aboard the Heat Seeker. Shooting irons and libations are at your ready. Now get your asses on the train!
Tess, I got you now.
This is it, Dynamo. We're on the verge of destiny. We take the West by thunder.
Face, that face, what a waste, that face, that face. What a waste of a pretty face. What a waste, that face, what a waste. What a waste of a pretty face, that face, what a waste, that face, that face. Will you when I'm older?
Look at here. We've got ourselves a trespasser. You'll regret barging onto my train like a bullfrog in boiling water.
I never... The hero here, to rescue her poorly sister. The day has come!
You be mistaken me, sis. I ain't here with no sweetheart. Your reign is done. Alive or dead.
Oh, well. How I wish our reunion were under a more virtuous occasion. Bye-bye.
Tess, wait! What have you done, Tess? You put that power in the hands of these outlaw bastards? I expected more.
It stinks, doesn't it? Knowing I'd rather steer the train than be tied to the tracks. For a brave new West, the Heat Seeker strikes tonight!
But your talent's wasted on all this mayhem.
Mayhem? This is the future, Jesse. Boundless power. Or have you forgotten the dirt we grew through?
We were kids, Tess. Now you're off the goddamn rails. I trust your provocations be at an end.
Chains? Blessing, sister. Grant me a coffin.
I missed your yap, Tess. Let's get you back and you can show me how all this works. I reckon 2 stingers are better than 1.